This video is about integral of trig functions. Here is the formula we got to use for this video. The only difference from the basic integral formula is you have 1 over a. So from now on, you need to check the coefficient of x. If the coefficient of x is not 1, you need to multiply 1 over a when you do the integral. Using the identities, this one and this one, and also here, to evaluate the given integral. How are these three trig identities from? We know the double angle identity, like cosine 2x equals these two, and sine 2x equals 2 sine x cosine x. When we solve trig equations, we got to use this a lot. But when we do the integral, we want to reduce the exponents, this degree, into 1, then you have to use the backwards of double angle identity. So let's go to number 15. For these 3, you will get the 3x minus. For sine square 3x, we will change into 1 minus cosine double 3x, you will get the 6x. Then over 2 dx. So let's go to the next step. We will separate this. You will get the 1/2 minus 1/2 cosine 6x dx. So that you will get the 3x. This is a minus, so here is a parenthesis, don't forget. Then you get the minus 1/2 x. Negative negative will be plus 1/2. We need to use this formula to deal with this integral of 6x. Therefore, you will get the 1/2 sine 6x. Don't forget this 1 over a, that is 1 over 6. Then you need to plus c. Now you organize 3x minus 1 over 2x. You will get 5 over 2x. 1/2 times 1 over 6, that is 1 over 12 sine 6x. Then plus c. For number 16, for 1, that is 1x. Then plus integral. This is 4 parentheses. 1 plus cosine double angle. This will be 4x over 2. Then dx. You will get 1x plus. Reduce this 2. You will get here's 2. So 2 times 1 plus cosine 4x dx. You will get the x plus. Do the distributive property, that is 2 plus 2 cosine 4x dx. Since here is a positive, so the sign will stay the same. Plus this 2, you will get the 2x plus 2 times, using this formula, you will get sine 4x. Don't forget, multiply by 1 over a is 1 over 4. Then plus c. So we organize, you will get the 3x plus 1/2 sine 4x, then plus c. For number 17, first of all, we need to expand these expressions using this formula. So you get 1 plus 2 cosine x plus cosine square x, then dx. Therefore, you will get 1x plus 2 sine x times 1 over a is 1 over 1, so you don't have to this time, then plus integral for cosine square x, we can write down 1 plus cosine 2x over 2. Then you do dx equals x plus 2 sine x plus separate, you will get 1 over 2 plus 1 over 2 cosine 2x, then dx equals x plus 2 sine x plus 1 over 2x plus 1/2. You will get the sine 2x. This time you have to multiply by 1 over a is 1 over 2, then plus c. So you organize, you will get 3 over 2x. These two are like terms. Plus 2 sine x plus 1 over 4 sine 2x plus c. For number 18, first of all, still expand. You will get 1 plus 2 sine 4x plus sine square 4x. Then this is integral dx. You will get the 1x, constant number, that will be 1x plus. For this one, when you do the integral, you got to use this formula, so that you will get 2 times negative cosine 4x. This time, don't forget multiply by 1 over a, that's 1 over 4. Then plus integral. For sine square 4x, we will change into 1 minus cosine 8x over 2 dx. Therefore, you will get x plus, no, here's minus because we have negative sign, 1 over 2 cosine 4x. Then plus integral, separate 1/2 minus 1/2 cosine 8x, then dx. You will get the x minus 1/2 cosine 4x plus 1/2 we take out, you will get the 1/2 x minus 1/2. Integral of cosine 8x, it will be sine 8x. But don't forget it's 1 over 8, so 1 over 8 plus c. Step, we organize. You will get these two like terms, 3 over 2x minus 1/2 cosine 4x minus 1 over 16 sine 8x, then plus c. We know sine 2x equals 2 sine x cosine x. Then we can do the backwards. That will be the sine x cosine x equals 1/2 sine 2x. Therefore, when you do the integral, when you see the sine x cosine x multiplication, you got to use this formula turned into single trig function. For number 19, you will get 5 times 1/2. Sine 2x times cosine 2x, you will get the sine 4x. Then dx. This is the first step. Then the next step, you will get the 5/2, that's coefficient. You will get the negative cosine 4x. Then don't forget, multiply by 1/a is 1/4. Then plus c. So last step, you organize, you will get the negative 5/8 cosine 4x plus c. Let's go to number 20. So you will get 3 times sine x/4 cosine x/4, you will turn into 1/2 sine. That's 2 times x/4 dx. So you get the 3/2 sine reduce, you will get the x/2, then dx. So this time you do the integral of sine. That will be negative cosine x/2. Don't forget 1/a, that means 1/1/2. Then plus c. 1/1/2, this will be 2. Therefore, after you reduce this 2 and this 2, you will get negative 3 cosine x/2, then plus c.